लास्ट लेक्चर में मैं सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर की प्रॉब्लम को ऑनलाइन मोड में आपको डिस्कस कर चुका हूं और उसके बाद में जितने भी टॉपिक्स हैं सिलेबस से रिलेटेड हम ऑफलाइन मोड क्लासरूम में आपको डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। परंतु कोविड की वजह से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स क्लास में अनुपस्थित रहे हों या जिन स्टूडेंट्स को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया हो, तो उसके लिए मैं पुनः जहां से हमने पहले ऑनलाइन मोड छोड़ा था वहीं से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं और आज का टॉपिक है लीनियर चेन ऑफ कपल्ड ऑसिलेटर। एज वी डिस्कस्ड ऑलरेडी द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सिंपल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर, हियर वी आर discussing the coupled oscillators. Here is the assembly of vibrating masses. Mass of each particle is small m, and these masses are interacting to each other by a spring. This may a vibrating rod type assembly. So here we are assuming that all of the particles are participating in the vibration or oscillation, and the amplitude of vibration is very small, so we can treat the problem in normal mode. These springs are having the spring constant small g, and the separation between two neighboring particles is small m. If we are considering this any one of the particles, say lth particle, then the displacement of this particle from the equilibrium is eta l, and supposing that the displacement of its neighboring particle is eta l plus a. So the mass points undergoes oscillatory displacement along the length of chain, and as we discussed that the displacement of lth particle is eta l, then the kinetic energy of this particle will be m eta l dot square, and the kinetic energy of whole assembly will be T equal to summation 1 by 2 summation m eta l dot square, and which you can write summation l pl square by 2m. And the potential energy of the system can be written as V equal to 1 by 2 summation G eta L minus eta L plus A whole square. So the Hamiltonian of the system, H, is the sum of kinetic and potential energies. So H equal to summation L PL square by 2m plus 1 by 2 G eta L minus eta L plus A whole square. This is number 1. And these operators eta L and PL are following the commutation relation eta L PL dot equal to IH cross LL dot. So for diagonalized the Hamiltonian, we are making the use of Fourier transformations as we already did for the simple harmonic oscillator problem. And in terms of Fourier transformations, the operators eta L and PL can be written as eta L equal to 1 over square root of n summation k exponential minus I kl eta k, and PL equal to 1 upon n 1 upon square root of n summation k exponential IKL PL, and these operators are also follow the commutation relation eta k comma pk dot dash, this is equal to IH cross kk dash. This you can prove by using the property of Kronecker delta. This terms can be replaced by the Kronecker delta kk dash, and you are having after solution the commutation relation is equal to IH cross kk dot. So these are the properties of Kronecker delta. Del kk dash equal to 1 upon n summation L exponential plus minus ik minus k dash L, and similarly delta LL dash equal to 1 upon n summation k exponential plus minus I L minus L dash into k. So in terms of these new operators eta k and pk, we have to write down the Hamiltonian. So first of all, we are proving here that the operator eta k and pk are not Hermitian, while the operator eta L and pl was Hermitian. You can prove this by the simple calculation. Eta k dagger, this is equal to 1 upon square root of n summation L exponential minus I kl eta L dagger, and if you take minus sign with k, then you are having this term, and this is equal to eta minus k. So this is not Hermitian operator. Similarly, pk dagger is also equal to p minus k, and this is also not an Hermitian operator. So for find out the Hamiltonian, first of all we have to write down summation PL square in terms of pk operator. So by using this simple calculation, you can write summation PL square equal to, you can write the value of PL in terms of pk. So this will be equal to 1 upon n summation L summation k dash exponential IKL pk dagger exponential I k dash L pk dash. So by using the property of Kronecker delta, this term, this whole, this term, this is equal to delta k minus k dash, and so you are having here summation PL square equal to summation pk and p minus k. P minus k is equal to pk dagger, so this is equal to summation pk dagger pk. And now we have to write down the term of potential energy eta L, terms in potential energy eta L minus eta L plus a whole square in terms of eta k and eta k dagger. So you can write this whole square equal to summation L eta L minus eta L plus a into eta L minus eta L plus a, and if you write the value of eta L in terms of pk, then you are having this term. And after solving this whole term, as I solved completely in the slides and also provided to you in PDF notes, so there is no problem in solving this term. So this you can solve like this: 1 upon n summation L summation k dash eta k dash exponential minus ik plus k dash l into 1 minus exponential minus I ka into 1 minus exponential minus I k dash a. So again, using the property of Kronecker delta, you have this term summation k eta minus k into 1 minus exponential ik into 1 minus exponential minus ik. Again, eta minus k is replacing by the eta k Dagger, so you are having eta k Dagger. On multiplying these two terms, you have summation k eta k Dagger 2 minus 2 cos ka. So the term eta l minus eta l plus a whole square is equal to 2 summation k eta k Dagger into 1 minus cos of k. So now you are having PL square and eta l minus eta l plus a whole square in terms of new operators eta k and pk. So using these value in equation number 2, you have h equal to summation k pk Dagger pk over 2m plus 1 by 2 gk eta k Dagger eta k. Here gk is equal to 2g into 1 minus cos of k, and the frequency of the oscillation is equal to omega k square root of omega k equal to square root of gk over n, where the value of gk, capital Gk, equal to 2g into 1 minus cos of k, and 1 minus cos of k can be written 2 sin square k by 2. So on solving this term, you are having the frequency of mode of wave number k, which is equal to square root of 2 square root of g by m sin magnitude of ka by 2, because for the frequency negative values of k are not allowed. So here I write, by convention we make all frequencies positive, so omega minus k is identical to omega k, as I told you that the frequency should be positive, so omega minus k and omega k are identical to each other. So this is your Hamiltonian for linear chain of coupled oscillators in terms of the operator pk and eta k, and this is the frequency of any mode of wave number k for the linear chain of oscillator. You can quantize the Hamiltonian also, as we have already defined the operator ak and ak Dagger in terms of pk and eta l, pk and eta k. So again defining ak equal to 1 upon square root of 2 mh cross omega k pk minus I m omega k eta l Dagger, and similarly ak Dagger, this is equal to, you replace pk by pk Dagger, eta l Dagger by eta l, and minus sign by plus sign. So if you again solve the commutation relations for the operator eta k and eta k Dagger, then this will come out delta kk dash, and for two similar type of operators here, this is the annihilation operators commutation relation, and this is the creation operator commutation relation. This will be equal to 0. So if you use the value of AK and AK Decker, I think here should be eta K, not eta L. This is wrong actually. You have to write eta K Decker here, eta K. So correct it. And if you write the value of AK and AK Decker, then Hamiltonian in terms of these operators AK Decker, AK and AK Decker will be equal to 1 by 2 summation K H cross omega K AK Decker AK plus AK Decker. And as you know already, this can be written as AK Decker equal to 1 and AK Decker minus AK Decker AK equal to 1. So you can replace AK Decker by AK Decker AK plus 1. The whole terms will be equal to H equal to 1 by 2 summation H cross omega K 2 into 2 AK Decker AK plus 1. And after solving, this is the Hamiltonian for the coupled oscillator. H equal to summation K H cross omega K into AK Decker AK plus half. So this is the quantization of Hamiltonian for the coupled oscillator. Similar type of result was obtained for the simple harmonic oscillator, where you were having H equal to H cross omega A Decker A plus half, because in simple harmonic oscillators you have similar type of frequency of the oscillation, but here in coupled harmonic oscillators omega is depend on the wave number K. So the omega is replaced by omega K, and the operators A Decker and A are replaced by AK Decker and AK. So this is about the coupled harmonic oscillator problems. Thank you.